I'm in a holiday mood today, so pull up your seat, sit across the table from me, and away we go.
Well, hello. Are you ready for a project today? Because I know I am. I am revving and ready to go. Now let me share with you what I want to do today. This is a great beginner's project as well as seasoned pros alike in the resin world. I did a past video 1 or 2 months ago, I can't quite remember, where I made this little fall jar. Now this was made out of a silicone mold, but it's not about this one. It's about a complimentary piece I made to go with this Thanksgiving jar. It says give thanks on the top. I put a sticker, but I don't even need to dive into that. It's this one that I made to go with it. So when they set together, they formed a cohesive pair. All right, come here, squeaky lamp. What I did, besides decorating it, was take this lid that used to be hollow, filled it up with resin and fall colored glitters, tans and greens and oranges, and with the resin I had left, I put a thin layer on the bottom of a pretty matching green. In fact, the green that matches this, trying to break it before the season's over, to match this. Well, today, I'm going to make a holiday or Christmas themed one out of this one. See, this is what the jar looks like before you decorate it or do what you want in the lid. Now, it doesn't have to be this particular jar. I think I got this one from one of my big box stores, or you can find jars with open lids like this and spend as much or as little as you want. I don't remember where I got this one because it's been a hot minute since I did. But you can find one that looks like this, or that. As long as that has an open lid, you're good to go. That had something on it. Okay. You can fill this portion up any way you'd like. You mix your resin up, you can put glitter, you can put beads, little mini Christmas ornaments. It's up to you. So let me just inspire you today to try it. I'm going to do mine my own way. If you choose to do it, you can do it your own way. Let's get started, okay? First, I need to get some resin mixed up because I am going with a glitter mix. Yes, ma'am, yes, sir, I am. And I think what I am choosing as of right now is a thick, chunky, dark green and light green. I might add some red. I don't know. I'm going to see what I am feeling in the artistic moment. All right, so let me get my resin. Let me get it mixed up, and I'll bring you on back, all right? See you in a little bit. I've got 2 parts of A and B. Well, 2 ounces per A and B, equal parts of clear epoxy resin here. Just mixing it up till it's clear with no streaks in it. And I won't make you sit through this part because it's pretty self-explanatory. You just want to mix and mix till it's pretty clear minus the bubbles. We'll deal with the bubbles once we see that our A and B parts are mixed well. So, camera.
Yes.
Can you send us in a fast forward, please?
Sure thing.
Thank you.
So I've got my epoxy nicely mixed. I'm adding in my green chunky glitter and my fine red glitter and just stirring it in there. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Little more glitter never hurt anyone. Now that my glitter is thoroughly mixed in the resin, it's time to grab my jar lid and just simply fill it up.
Simple as that. It's ready to begin curing. So I'll see you in a little bit and we'll come back and finish out the rest of the jar. We can decorate it. We can do whatever our little hearts desires. This is going to be your project if you would like to try this. And this is mine. We're just here to be inspiring, right? All right. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you in a little bit. It's cured. Look how pretty. Shiny and glittery. Oh, it's so pretty. Yes, I like that. Can you see it well? Okay, next step is let's decorate our jar. But the first thing I want to do is take that sticker off the bottom. The fall one, the fall themed jar that I showed you earlier, I could leave the sticker on because I put resin in the bottom to match the littler jar, but this one I'm not putting anything in the bottom. So I don't want to see this sticker, so I'm going to peel as much as I can off. Which is not doing well, but I'm okay. Want to know why? I got my handy dandy goo gone. There's all different ways. Some people soak them in hot water. That works. There's different ways you can take that stickiness off. I just have goo gone. That works well for me. Let's give it a good scrub and work at it for a little bit. Maybe we'll go into another fast forward. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that now. There we have it. All clean, all nice and shiny. I tell you what, this stuff, that can work some miracles for you now. There we go. Now I went ahead and I made sure, but I'm going to do it again because I'm about to apply some little cute snowman stickers around my jar, so I want it to be as clean as possible. Even though I've wiped it down probably over 20 times now, I'm probably exaggerating a little bit. My name's Sherry after all. I can exaggerate a little bit, but can't we all? But I do try to be as honest as possible, and in saying that, I really am being honest. Okay. Alright. Are we ready? Look at these cute stickers. Aren't they adorable? I've already used, I think, well, it looks like maybe 2. But I'm going to take some of these snowmen and circle my jar. There are all sorts of really cute festive stickers out there. I mean, from if you wanted to make a Valentine jar, a fall jar, Christmas, something for a birthday gift, I mean, the world is yours. But today, like I said at the beginning of my video, I'm feeling a little holiday vibe. And nope, I'm not skipping right over Thanksgiving. But I am feeling a little snowman action right now. You don't like the way I said that? But the snowmen don't like me right now. Well, this one does. What now? What now? What do you think, you guys? What now? I know what. About a ribbon. Yeah, this is a nice colored ribbon. Look, it matches the scarf and her jacket and hat. Yeah, that's cute. And the glitter. Oh, nothing. Look at there. Simple, fun, easy project to decorate a table. You could fill your jar up with, like I said, candy, a Christmas gift, Christmas ornaments, anything you want, and you don't. It doesn't have to be Christmas themed. I was just feeling extra festive today, and so I decided to do a Christmas themed jar.
So here I am, just grabbing my little red rhinestones, just a few, adding them to the center of my bow, and just a couple of the snowmen for some extra final touches, and I think it looks super cute. Thanks for joining me today. If you would, give me a like, a comment, a share, and if you want to, subscribe. But most importantly, I'm just glad you were here. I really do appreciate it.